Let's hope this thing is still in one piece. Hi guys, today's video is short and sweet as I received something in my mailbox. A box, literally a box, and another package. Now these two are my merch. Most of you know that I launched my merch on Valentine's Day because my one and only love in life is chess, apparently. Oh well. But anyway, so I launched my merch and I need to buy my own merch. I purchased it from Streamlabs. True story, I paid for this. I paid actual money for these two things. And therefore I'm curious to see what's inside. How is the quality? Let's open it together. First, the box, I think. Ooh. But then, before we start, can you get some celebratory, upbeat music? And maybe my surrounding is not cool enough. Let's get some fancy, artsy background around me and upbeat music. Thank you. Shout out to Anton Squared Me. He's the best, my editor. Oh, I'm so strong. Okay, there we go. I think it's still in one piece, as far as I can see. And it is, woo, my mug. It is the Anna Hart mug. Well, looks bigger than what I thought. And on the other side, guys, what we have on the other side is actually my signature. So this is how it looks. My favorite emote, not just my favorite, but basically my Twitch community loves the most, the Anna Hart emote on my channel where I stream. And this is a special edition mug, limited edition. There are only 50 mugs like this in the world with my signature on the back. So fancy, and I bought one of them. This is how selfish I am. There are 50 in the world, in the entire world, and I have one of them because, well, I needed to have one. Who wouldn't like to drink from her own mug with her own signature? I'm in love with myself. So this is the mug. I'm happy about the quality. It's bigger than what I thought. It's pretty heavy too. It's gonna be good for all the mint teas I drink and water. I drink a lot of water on streams from mugs, so this may replace the chess mug I've been using mainly on my channel. I think it's pretty good quality. It says Orca coatings made in China, but the box I received from Latvia. So apparently Streamlabs, tag Streamlabs HQ on Instagram and get featured. Plug. I may tag them or I may not. But anyway, the box says Streamlabs merch, Starta Street 1, Riga, Latvia. So apparently the European headquarters of Streamlabs, or at least the merch for Streamlabs, is in Latvia. Good to know. And it arrived in just a few days, so I didn't order it with any express shipping, and I got it in 4 or 5 working days. I don't know exactly because I was in Chile. I couldn't pick it up immediately. So here we go. This is the mug. I like it. I would give it... No, I can't score my own mug. I was gonna give it an 8 out of 10. I don't know. You judge. You judge it, guys. What do you think is the score for this mug? How do you like it? Give me a score for the mug in the comments below. And let's open the other package. Can you guess what's inside? Can you guess it? Here we go. I'm excited. Yay! It's red. As red as I like it. And it says it's a size S hoodie. Once again with the same cartoon, the Anna Hart. Let's open it. I feel like it's Christmas. And it was launched on Valentine's Day. So the sticker says red S 16 times 20. I have no idea what that means. But for now, this is how it looks. My hoodie. I've designed it. Well, not much design it needed. It's my emote. I asked for it in high resolution for the merch. I decided the colors it would be printed on. I must say the red hoodie makes it kinda pinky, the whole face part, because on the mug it's more like yellow or white. Yeah, kinda yellow. And on the hoodie the skin color is really pink, so that might be because the background is red and it's printed on red. The other color that's available on my merch store at the moment is white with the same emote. So the first items all are with the Anna Hart cartoon, but I think I should stop talking about this and try it on finally, because that is the real test, isn't it? How it looks, how it fits, how it feels. So here we go. This is the first time I see it, first time I put it on, and I'm wondering if it is worth the money I paid for it. Is it worth my bucks? So far looking great. I'm feeling very sexy right now. Oh, there we go. Whew. Let's see, actually the size is good. Arm length. I think this is my size. And also the length. I don't know if you guys can see it, I don't fit in the screen. But I'm feeling good about this, actually. I like it. I'm not saying it so that you would buy my merch, it's up to you whether you want it or not, but I think I'm gonna actually wear this, not just keep it in my wardrobe. So I'm pretty happy about it. I think it is a comfortable fit. It's pretty warm, which is needed now that I'm back from Chile and it's still cold in Spain, February. Well, it's got some stuffs that I need to remove here and there. So it's clearly not some kind of a Versace, Gucci, Ralph Lauren brand. But who would need a Ralph Lauren hoodie, right? This was made in... Oh, I can't see. The brand is... Maybe I should have read it before I put it on. Gildan. Heavy blend. Oh, I can't read it. Made in Honduras. And Fabrique Honduras. Hecho en Honduras. That's it. I need to clean it a little. But apart from that, I like it. You're gonna see me streaming in this, I'm pretty sure. Probably this week already, depends on when the video will be up. But then and I will make sure that it's coming out shortly. So this has been it, my merch. The mug and the hoodie. I'm pretty happy about it, but you guys will be the judge. What do you think? On a scale up to 10, what is this mug worth? How do you rate this mug with my signature on it? I'm sorry for the rest of the people in the world. I have taken one of the 50 mugs that are out there from the limited edition, and this one, yeah, let's get some evaluation going on the hoodie as well. Which one you like more? The mug, the hoodie, none of them, both of them? And let me know your thoughts about the two. As I said, all the items in the store right now have the Anna Hart emote, but I'm designing new products as well for the coming months, so make sure to come by, check it from time to time, and I'll see you on Twitch, probably wearing this very sexy outfit. See you there. Bye. I'm gonna link the merch store in the description. Blooper time.